Here are the motor milestones by 9 months. At pathways.org, all of our materials are from American Academy of Pediatrics and Center for Disease Control materials. Sits without support.
This one just tried to roll away from me.
It just tried to roll away.
Yeah, so I got it. So it could not roll away from me again.
Starts to move with alternate leg and arm movement, for example, creeping and crawling.
Hey!
Moves from tummy or back into sitting.
There you go, Emma. Yay! And yay! That was good.
Sits and reaches for toys without falling.
Well, he's a good reacher.
But this is demonstrating on the list how he can reach outside,
Yeah. Good job.
Want to help baby reach these milestones? Stick around for the end of the video to learn about our Baby Milestones app. Picks up small objects with thumbs and fingers.
You go get it? You go get it.
While lying on back, transfers toy from one hand to the other.
Yeah.
In simple play, imitates others.
That's amazing. Yay! You did.
Looking for an easy way to track these milestones and find activities to help baby reach them? Download the pathways.org Baby Milestones app for therapist-approved activities personalized to baby's age and abilities that support development and help them reach their next milestones. And remember, it's never too early or too late to get baby on the right pathway.